Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco, and Porvorim.
जे लँड आमकां हँडओवर केल्लें कलेक्टरान तेन्ना 2 वर्स फाटीं सुमार तेन्ना इट वॉज सीन दॅट देर आर लॉट ऑफ लेसीज ऑन दॅट सो वी रोट टू देम बॅक टू क्लियर द लेसीज जस्ट 1 week back the proceedings were on before the deputy collector of Bichoni. He has passed an order and based on that I have now requested collector North Goa to hand over the land to me free from all the encumbrances. If the land taking over zale immediately we will examine on the DPR to be made of that for CND waste treatment plant. Also, we will ask the DSLR to demarcate the area so that we have to fence it. See, area asa ती सद्याक it's a abandoned quarry. थिंगा चिरी काडटली. It's a government land. So that is what we will have to take over. The land आक लागून issue delay जाली not because of anything else. The moment it is handed over, immediately I will start.